Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share a simple pump with me routine and show how many mothers include pumping as part of their daily feeding schedule. For many mothers, pumping becomes a regular part of the day, especially when balancing feeding, household work, rest, or a busy routine. Creating a calm and comfortable pumping routine can make the process much easier. Before starting, always make sure your hands are clean and all pump parts are properly washed and assembled. Keeping everything ready before the session saves time and helps you stay relaxed. Next, find a comfortable place where you can sit peacefully for a few minutes. Good posture and back support can make a big difference during pumping sessions. Before using the pump, some mothers like to take a moment to relax or gently massage the area for a short time. This can help prepare the body and support smoother milk flow. Now place the pump correctly and begin slowly. Starting with a gentle rhythm usually feels more comfortable and allows the body to adjust naturally. In the beginning, the flow may take a few minutes to start, and that is completely normal. Staying calm and patient is important because a relaxed body often responds better. During the session, try to maintain a steady and comfortable rhythm. Avoid rushing or changing settings too quickly. A smooth and consistent routine usually works best. Many mothers use pumping time to relax, drink water, or simply take a quiet break during the day. Creating a peaceful routine can make the experience feel more manageable. After finishing, carefully transfer the collected milk into a clean storage container and label it if needed. Proper storage helps keep everything organized for later use. Cleaning all pump parts after each session is another important habit. Washing and drying everything properly helps maintain hygiene and keeps the pump ready for the next session. Over time, pumping becomes easier as your body adjusts to the routine. What feels new in the beginning often becomes a natural part of daily life. With consistency, a calm environment, and the right routine, pumping can become a comfortable and manageable experience for many mothers. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.